Introduction to the Process Optimiser program, CompEAT, delivered by the AgriTech Ireland Cluster and the AgriTech Centre of Excellence, ACE. This program is for AgriTech companies who want to improve business process productivity. It is suitable for improving all business processes, from direct manufacturing processes to business processes like R&D, purchase order management, supply chain management, and customer engagement. Companies select a process improvement project and a project team to work on the project for their business. We work with the project team to educate in lean practice and to facilitate the delivery of the continuous improvement project through collaborative workshops. There are 3 phases. First phase is around mapping. So mapping out the process and the value stream for the selected process. Then we look at benchmarking that process to compare with best in class. And then third phase is about making improvements so that your company can be more competitive on the international stage. So it works in the following way. It's scheduled across a period of 4 months, and it's delivered over a series of collaborative workshops where, depending on the combination of the teams, it can be anything from 2 to 3 members per project and up to 5 projects or companies per run of the program. The project itself, the whole program, is funded by Smart Agri Hubs, and there is a Munster Technological University registration fee as well, because all participants do get an official qualification in the lean practice of value stream mapping. Outcomes that can be expected are improvements in the area of process productivity, in terms of reducing cost, in terms of understanding and reinforcing one's key performance indicators, and to develop a digitalization roadmap for your process. To give an overview about the content of the program, you can see here it's delivered over a series of workshops, and each workshop contains a unit of learning and practical examples and practical time to work on one's project over these bite-sized units of content, starting with understanding what the lean approach is all about, what value stream mapping, how it works, and then going through to define one's project. After that, there's a current state value stream map developed for the process, and to look at how that process links with the suppliers to that process and also to the customers. The next part then works on analyzing the value stream. So really starting to look at, what sort of opportunities are there to improve this process, be that including digital solutions, be that changing the way the process is working, and so on. That continues on by doing the benchmarking exercise and identifying key action areas. Once they're identified, the team then sets about actually designing what the future value stream should look like. What would the ideal process flow for the identified project look like? And developing that so that one has a vision and a target about where to go in the future, how to make this process best in class. And then there's a piece around implementing the actions, in getting to that future state, the importance of buy-in to all stakeholders who are involved, and really supporting the project teams to realize their improvement project. During this content delivery, the project teams will have to meet a number of deliverables. So you see here across each of the workshop topic areas, there are specific deliverables that need to be submitted as part of the program. This ensures, I guess, that there are milestones marked out, and that the project teams are focused on delivering real results for the project. So we see these, you know, in the early stages is around the mapping piece, around defining what the objectives are for the project, what are the measurables for the project to ensure that one can see the benefits after the improvements are made. Going through to looking at what kind of technologies are used in the process, what kind of technologies could be used in the process, identifying where the weak points are, and from that, then uncovering what opportunities are there to make improvements. All of these deliverables will be delivered in a content pack using structured and I suppose lean best practice tools and techniques. Okay, and as the process continues, the company management is kept up to date as well by means of a presentation update from the project teams. So the team gets feedback and has the support from the company management on implementing the changes that they're looking to make to enhance the productivity and I suppose competitiveness of the company. Thank you.